In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see subtasks in the calendar view within Asana. Whether you're managing a project or simply want better oversight of your tasks, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's begin this journey towards more efficient project management. To start, you need to navigate to the Asana home. If you're already familiar with Asana's interface, this will be a breeze. Simply open Asana and ensure you're on the home page. This is where all your projects are visible at a glance. Next, locate the project that contains the subtasks you wish to see in the calendar. Projects are essentially the foundation stone of Asana. Organizing them properly can streamline your workflow significantly. Click on the project you want to work on to open it up. Once inside the project, look for the specific task you've created. It's under this main task where your subtasks reside. Think of it as a nesting structure, where subtasks are like the layers beneath the main task layer. Click on the main task to reveal the subtasks within. Now, select the subtask you want to manage. This is crucial because subtasks often hold specific details vital to the larger project, and seeing them in your calendar can help you track your progress more effectively. Clicking on the subtask will open its details. The next step is to set the date when you want the subtask to appear in your calendar. This is a simple yet powerful step. By scheduling, you align tasks with deadlines, helping you allocate appropriate time for each subtask. In the subtask details section, choose your desired date from the calendar. Once you've set the date, drag and drop the subtask under the correct task in your project's list view. This acts as a verification step, ensuring that your subtasks are correctly aligned within the project hierarchy, making them easier to manage and locate. With your subtasks now neatly arranged and scheduled, click on the Calendar tab on the top of your project's page. The calendar view is an intuitive feature, offering a visual representation of tasks along a timeline, making it easier to see when each task is due. Finally, head to the date you set for your subtasks and look for an option that says See Hidden Task. By clicking this, you expose the subtasks within the calendar view, making the subtask visibly integrated within your schedule. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can successfully view subtasks in Asana's calendar, thus enhancing your project's clarity and productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you in managing your projects even better.